Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to see the deleted messages in Messenger. Right now in Messenger's latest update, there is the option to see the deleted messages in your Messenger. So what you have to do is head over to your Facebook application. Once you are there, make sure I've logged in into your desired account and head over to the three lines icon on the top right. Once you are there, go to settings and privacy. Go to settings option right here. And here go to make account sender. Now go to personal details, go back and go to your information and permissions. Now here go to download your information. And here you have to tap on download or transfer information. Select your specific account, tap on next. And here they will just give you the information of your photos, messages, data logs, everything. So go to specific types of information. And here just select messages and tap on next. Now tap on download to device. And here you can choose the format with which you can download the data of your deleted messages. Tap on create files and your file will be created to download. And then you can see the deleted messages of your Messenger. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.